Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily connect your AirPods Pro or regular AirPods to your iPhone 6. So the first thing you want to do is open the lid and make sure both AirPods are inside. And once you've done this, you're going to find the back of the AirPods. And you see right here, there's this white outline. You're going to hold this down and you see right here at the front, the LED, watch it. You see it's white, and once it starts flickering like that, you can see software updates. Some features of this audio accessory require a new version of iOS. We'll tap on Setup with limited functionality. I'll just wait for this to do its thing. And you can see audio accessory connecting. And boom, just like that, AirPods Pro are now successfully connected to my iPhone 6. So because AirPods Pro officially has support with iOS 13.2 and newer, on iOS 12.4, you're not going to be able to change the controls in the control center. That's the only thing you're missing. Everything else will work. So if I go to Bluetooth, you can see AirPods Pro, and they are connected successfully. So you can see the only modes we have are normal and noise cancelling. And if you want to do transparency mode, you can actually hold the tip and then just hold it down, and then it will go into a transparency mode. So sure, you do have limited functionality, but you can control between normal and noise cancelling inside of the Bluetooth settings. And with the tip of the earbuds, you can control between noise cancelling and transparency mode. If you have a jailbreak, you can actually do full control on iOS 12.4 or any iOS 12 firmware on the iPhone 6. But I'm assuming most of you aren't jailbroken. If you do want to jailbreak, there'll be a tutorial in the description down below. So hopefully you guys enjoyed and enjoy using your your AirPods on your iPhone 6. So I'll see you guys later. This is a very easy tutorial. Let me know if you have any issues though. Bye bye.